Hello everyone, my name is Elijah Proctor, and today we're going to talk about probability and decision making in finance. And so here we have a Python script that basically simulates the returns of a portfolio worth $1 million with two assets and calculates the combined returns based on the weights that we specify. And it then plots a histogram of the simulated portfolio returns. So when you simulate returns on an investment portfolio, you're creating a distribution of possible outcomes. And this can help you understand how the portfolio might perform under different conditions, and it can give you valuable insights into uncertainty and risk. Financial analysts and portfolio managers use these simulated returns to see how different asset mixes impact performance, and risk managers use them to develop strategies to reduce potential losses. So let's go over the code very quickly. So we have a portfolio worth $1 million. The simulated returns, we're going to have 2,000 simulated returns for this program. Asset A is a stock that comes from company A. This has a mean return of 12% and a standard deviation of 21%. And based on normal distribution, 68% of returns will be between -9% and 33%. For asset B, this is a stock coming from company B. This has a mean return of 4% and a standard deviation of 8%. And with the normal distribution of 68%, the returns will be from -4% and 12%. And so once we have these asset returns computed, we can store them within a data frame so that we can perform or we can compute the portfolio or the combined portfolio returns. But first we need to define the weights for the portfolio. And so for asset A, we're going to have a weight of 30%, and asset B will have a weight of 70%. So once we have that, we can compute the portfolio returns, which is the dot product of returns A and B, and we can easily do that in Python here. And then we're going to store that result in our combined portfolio returns variable, and then display this variable using a histogram, or the results in this variable in a histogram. And so the histogram basically shows that the portfolio returns follow a normal distribution. This means that while the portfolio usually yields around 10%, there is a noticeable variation, indicating both the possibility of higher gains and the associated risk. And so understanding this distribution helps in assessing risk and making informed investment decisions. Thank you for listening. That is all.